Hey, how you doing today? It is another edition of How's About Thursday, and we're going to get into your design dilemma question on hows.com. So what I'm going to do is go into stories and advice, design dilemma, and see if there's anything on there that we can answer today, something we can look at. So we got mismatched stressors, help with master bathroom, cost of Corian versus granite, bathroom counters and tub deck, contemporary facelift. Let's see what help with master bathroom. This is by Rebecca Sanford. Sorry, Rebecca Sanford. We need some serious help. We had planned to renovate our master bathroom in the near future, but our hands have been forced after finding a leak in the shower. Remediation company came in, pulled out our shower in the ceiling, and scrubbed it all. We are now showerless, and I need to get moving on a plan because being out without a shower is a real pain. We had an odd-shaped shower, which I think was of squaring it off. We'd love to work in a freestanding tub, but not sure how to work that with our current cabinetry. Our plan is to have the cabinets painted and countertops replaced. Any suggestions, recommendations would be greatly appreciated. Lighting is terrible in the bathroom. We plan to replace it as well. So this is what we got here. You can see where they removed the tile in the floor, removed all that shower. Ooh, yeah. That is an odd shaped shower. So it looks like there's maybe two closets behind this shower. And then standing at the entry, there's a corner. There's probably like a toilet room back here. So let's look at this first. We've got, I'm going to take a screenshot of this and a screenshot of this project here. I'm going to import, this is a Morpholio app. So I'm going to import a picture from my library and put it over here. Okay, so here we got, let me look at what we've got here. It looks like basically the bathroom is shaped like this. I think there's a door that she is standing in here. There's a corner tub that comes out, a vanity along here, a vanity here. I'm not sure the extent. This is probably a toilet room, I'm guessing. That is something like this. She doesn't really show it, but this is what I'm piecing together. There's a window here, and then the shower goes back in like this, and it probably looks like it came out and did like this kind of deal at one time. So you can erase that, and then there's probably a closet and a closet here. Looks like there's a door in like that. I don't know how deep these closets are. They're probably, judging from this house, they're probably walk-in closets. Maybe they go back in that area like that. I don't know. So this is basically the shower that she has now, and this is her tub. They're going to replace all the. They've got a window in the corner. They're going to replace cabinets, maybe a freestanding tub. All that good stuff. So let's create a new layer on top of this, and I'm going to use a different color. I'll just use black. So when you enter into a bathroom, you kind of want to focus your attention on something. You want to either a shower or a vanity or even the freestanding tub. So if we were to just look at this space here and the entry into this, you've kind of got a clear view of this vanity, which is nice. And I can see why they had the shower do this, because it kind of came out into the room and probably looked pretty neat. I wouldn't mind actually keeping the shower where it was. It's too big to kind of do this angle thing. I think you could just go straight across and actually keep that shower like it is now. Maybe come in and create a bulkhead over the top of it and put a rain shower in and a seat back in here, so this could be turned into like a steam shower. You could do glass all the way up to the ceiling of the shower, and have a nice door that enters into it, and you could have some steam controls on this wall here, and there's probably room back in here for your equipment and that kind of stuff for the steam shower. Now, there's a product called Schluter shower systems, which is really good waterproofing system if you're worried about recreating the shower and creating a holistic water tight system. You definitely want to look into the Schluter the Curdy drain system that they have. They have a pre-built shower pan, things like that. So the key things with a steam shower, though, is when you want to slope the ceiling of the shower. So if you have your door coming in from this side, you want to slope it slightly back so that when the steam is rising, it can trail along this and come down the back wall, as opposed to dripping all over your head like that. And then you can have a rain shower in here. Another thing you want to do is waterproof the entire thing. That means the ceiling too, and any kind of any area that's going to have exposure to moisture and in that zone. So you basically waterproof the entire thing like a cooler. And then you can have, if you were to take this approach and basically do a cross section through this, you could have the freestanding tub mirrored with this. So you could do something interesting here with a little, you probably put it back here, a little filler, that kind of thing. And then your vanity could actually come across this whole zone here. You could keep your toilet on this side if that's where it is, and then you could have one sink here and one sink here, and then you could have like a high, you probably want to keep these windows. This would be a good makeup counter area. So you could have, if you move this one over a little bit, then you could have an area for makeup. The mirror is complicated with a window like this, but there could be something, you could do something cool where you put a mirror in front of the window, like so that you got all this light coming in around the mirror and lighting up your face as you sit here at your makeup counter, and you've got a lot of natural light coming in, but your view is of a mirror right there. And then you could have 2 sinks in here. This is still a really nice big master bath. So those are my initial thoughts, and I hope that you find them useful. If you have a design question that you would like feedback on, just let me know and leave a comment below. If you're enjoying these videos, like the video and let me know that you are finding some value in it, so I can continue to provide information like this. And I look forward to answering your next design dilemma question next week.